First official action has been taken in an attempt to bring the death penalty back to Nebraska.
And the Nebraska legislature repealed it last week. Getting a referendum to reverse that will not be easy. Our Brandon Scott joins us live now to sort it all out. Hey, Brandon.
Joe and Mallory, earlier today I spoke with a constitutional law expert from Creighton University, and he told me that it's possible that the death penalty issue could ultimately be decided by the courts, with legal challenges filed here at the federal courthouse and then appeals that could go all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. One of the issues, what to do with the 10 death row inmates currently awaiting executions. The governor has pledged to proceed with their sentences, arguing the legislature doesn't have the power to change them. But Senator Ernie Chambers, who spent decades pushing to repeal capital punishment, told a Canadian radio program that the legislature didn't grant a pardon, but rather a reprieve.
So they remain under the sentence of death, but the way the bill was drafted, the means of carrying out an execution does not exist. So they remain under a death sentence, but it cannot be carried out.
Another issue, public opinion, with the group Nebraskans for the Death Penalty now working to secure enough signatures to put capital punishment on the ballot during the November 2016 general election. To get the issue on the ballot, the group has 90 days to secure signatures from 5% of the state's registered voters, which adds up to roughly 56,000 names. But those signatures would need to come from 5% of the voters in at least 38 of Nebraska's 93 counties. Last month, we spoke to State Senator Beau McCoy, one of the leaders of the ballot referendum.
Public safety is a #1 issue that we have to keep at the forefront of our minds here in the legislature. The most heinous crimes committed against fellow Nebraskans deserves the ultimate punishment, and that's what the death penalty is.
Now, securing all of those signatures isn't cheap. Earlier today, I spoke to a representative for Nebraskans for the death penalty, and he told me that it could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before they start collecting those names, first they have to raise money. Reporting live with photographer M.H. Denker, Brandon Scott, WOWT 6 News.